Welcome to my channel FS Tech Lab. In today's video we will learn how to join a Windows client machine to a domain. Before we begin, decide the IP address in the same subnet of domain controllers. Decide the hostname for the client machine. Keep handy domain admin credentials. Install Windows 10 Client OS on the machine. Power on the client machine. Here we have a freshly installed Windows 10 client machine which we will join to the domain. So let's begin. We will first set up the hostname on the machine. Go to Start menu and type Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on System and Security. Now click on System. Click on Change Settings in Computer Name section. Click Change. Under Computer Name, type in the hostname decided earlier. Click OK. Click OK again. Click Close and click Restart now. Now let's change the IP address of the system so that the machine can connect to the domain controller. Go to Start menu and type in Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click on Ethernet. Click Properties in Ethernet. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Select Use the following IP address and type in the IP address decided earlier. Type in the IP address of the domain controllers in DNS server section. Click OK. Click Close. Click Close again. We will test if the machine is able to reach the domain controllers. Go to Command Prompt. Ping the domain name. Ping response received. The machine is able to reach the domain controller. Let's join the machine to domain. Go to Start menu and type in Control Panel. Click System and Security in Control Panel. Click System. Click on Change Settings under Computer Name. Click Change. Under the section that is member of, click Domain and type in the domain name. Click OK. Type in the domain admin credentials for authentication. Click OK. The client machine will try reaching the domain controller and add itself to the domain using domain admin credentials. If the authentication is successful, it will show welcome to the domain. Click OK. You will be prompted to restart the machine. Click OK. Click Close. Click Restart now. Once you click, the machine will be restarted. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on keyboard and make sure you select the other user to log on to domain. Let's go to the domain controller and check the created user. Open Active Directory Users and Computers console. You can see that user 1 is created. We will log on using this user ID on the client machine. You can now see that we have logged on to the machine using the user ID. Let's check on which domain controller we have logged on. In the Start menu, type Run and open it. In Run prompt, type %logon server % and click OK. It will display on which domain controller we have logged on. Go to Run again and type / domain name, that is fstechlab.local, and click OK. The domain shared folder, that is netlogon and sysvol, will be displayed. That's it in today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.